Bolo
I like
Wrap,
this.
a device that launches a high-speed Kevlar cord designed to entangle a suspect's limbs before things spiral out of control.
Do it now. Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
Honestly, in this situation, I'm surprised she didn't just tase him. If you don't upload these in the right order, people are going to be real confused. Oh, I know. I'm going to do that on purpose now.
Get on the ground.
I want to see it.
Get on the ground. Do it now.
Dude, it honestly sounded like it sounded like a sound effect. Like it sounded like it came from like a little speaker. Like that doesn't sound real. Are you sure that's not a sound effect that they added to it? Like that does not sound like a real.
Get on the ground.
It sounds like a toy, like gun sound effect.
Get on the ground.